Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a digital timer by using Visual Basic 6.0 in Windows 10. Okay, at first I am showing you. This is digital timer executive file. I am double clicking on it, minimizing this. Okay, this is digital timer. See, hour, minute, second, here is AM PM. Okay, I am closing it. For developing this program, we will need number 1, a standard executive form of Visual Basic. Number 2, a label. Number 3, a timer, and nothing else. Okay, let's start. At first, we are going to start our Visual Basic 6.0. I am using Windows 10 Pro. Okay, here Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. I am clicking on it to start the program. Yes, see, standard executive file. I am clicking on it and click open. Okay, stretch it or enlarge it if needed. Then it will be like this. It will be okay. Then name the form FRM timer. Okay, back color menu text, that means black. Border style, set it fixed dialog. Caption, digital timer developed by Muhammad Sharbin Munshi. You can write your own name. Scroll down, here icon, click 3 dot. Okay, from here you can set an icon. See here, we will get some icons. Microsoft Visual Studio, then click common, then graphics, then icon, then scroll down, miscellaneous. Here you will get some icon. See, we can set this clock icon. Okay, open. See, the clock icon has been set here. Okay, now scroll down. The form will start in the middle of the position, that means center. Okay, center screen, select it. Now double click on label button. Yes, here set it in the proper place. Okay, then write its name, LBL timer. Caption, nothing. Then font, click 3 dot to select the font. Times New Roman, select it. Then bold, then font size 90. Okay, then forecolor will be white, that means highlight text. This color. Back color will be, see here, back color, select back color. Menu text, see here, black. Okay, then set a timer. Double click on timer. Okay, timer is here, keep it there, and timer on, its name. Okay, then interval you can set 100 or like this. Now our design is okay, then we have to write code. Very simple code. Double click on timer, then write LVL timer dot caption equal time. Okay, close it, then run the program. One thing is left, see here, select LVL timer, and the writing should be center alignment, center. Okay, now run the program here, or F5. But AMPM, most probably it is not getting a space. Okay, now enlarge it please. Okay, now enlarge it, LVL, slightly enlarge. Okay, now it will be okay. This is our timer. Okay, stop it. Now make executive file. Go to file menu, then click make project.exe. Okay, then where we will save it, on desktop, select desktop, then give its name digital timer.exe. Okay, it will be saved on desktop. We are minimizing the program. Okay, where is our timer? This one we have made. Okay, double click on it. See, our timer has started, and Avast antivirus is checking this executive file is okay or not, or it has virus. Okay, it is checking. Okay, let it check. And Avast has left this program, it has no virus. Okay, this digital timer has been developed by using Visual Basic 6.0 in Windows 10 operating system. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everybody. If you like this program, please share it with your friends, give us like, and mention in the comment box what you need next. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.